Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent computer from waking up from sleep unexpectedly. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click your mouse, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. Click and expand keyboards, right-click your keyboard, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Sleep, click and expand Allow Wake Timers, select Disable, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type power CFG space, /last wake. This find out what last woke your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.